Vendor list creation. How to create vendor. This is where you will create a new vendor, edit a vendor information or tag as inactive or delete a vendor. To create a vendor, click Create at the upper right side of the window and provide the necessary information. Please note that the fields with an asterisk are required while others are only optional. First, provide the code if you use unique codes for your suppliers. If you don't have codes, your supplier name will be sufficient. Second, provide the name. This is where you will fill in the vendor or supplier name. The vendor name is not necessarily the same with the payee. If the vendor name differs from the payee name, update the payee name in the Payments and Billing tab. You can provide the following optional fields for the information if applicable. Contact person. Vendor type, if the vendor is purchase type or expense type. Withholding, for the default withholding tax. Purchase tax. Fill in default purchase tax information if the supplier is with VAT, exempt, non-VAT or others. Center code, which is the default location. Accounts. Setting up default accounts payable is advised for efficient entries later on. Payments and billing for the following details: default payment type and cash account, terms in days, credit limit, and payee. Continue on with contact info for other contact details. Address. Tax information for the TIN number. Once all the applicable information is provided, you may now save your vendor by clicking Save. You have just successfully created your vendor.